Unit 7, learning target number 2. Decompose a rectangle to find the area of right triangles. So that was a pretty strange description on our title screen. We're going to decompose. We're decomposing something. What does it mean to decompose something? Well, decomposing means to break things down. You may have heard people use decomposition to refer to leaves or something like that. Something is decomposing. Well, in our case, we are going to find the area of triangles by decomposing a rectangle. So real quickly, let's find the area of this big rectangle. We've got this nice big rectangle here. It is 5 inches by 3 inches. We'll just remember our area formula of a rectangle, which is length times width, and we've got a length of 5 here, and we've got a width of 3, and so that's pretty easy. Our area is equal to 5 times 3, which is 15. And 15 what? Well, is it 15 inches? Yeah, no, it's 15 inches squared because we're finding the area. Now, let's say we wanted to break that rectangle up. We're going to take that guy and separate him into 2 pieces. And we want to find just the area of this triangle right here. Well, what can you think? Is there maybe a solution to that particular problem? Since if we put these 2 together, we get a rectangle. Well, this is exactly half. This guy right here is exactly half of that rectangle. So what could we do to find the area of just this triangle? Well, we could take this answer and divide it by 2. We could break this in half. We could have 15 divided by 2, or another way to write that is 1/2 times 15, because half times 15 is 1/2 times 15 over 1, which winds up being 15 over 2, which is 7.5. So what we're going to do is we're going to remember that we can find the area of a triangle. This is a particular kind of triangle, by the way. It is a right triangle. Now, how do we know what a right triangle is? Well, a right triangle has a right angle, and a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. So this angle right here is 90 degrees, or it makes this kind of a square shape there. Okay, so this is a 90-degree angle. This is a right triangle, and we can find the area by saying area is equal to 1/2 times the length and the width. 1/2 length times width. And in this case, again, that's 15 times 1/2, or divided by 2, and that gives us 7.5 inches squared is the area of either one of our right triangles. Now let's use what we just learned. We know how to find the area of one of these guys here, that's a triangle, or one of these guys right there, right? So that's a triangle too. Either one of these guys, we can find the area. We can apply that to any triangle that has 90 degrees. Now, what was our formula for the area of any triangle? In fact, it's not just for right triangles. This is the area formula for any triangle, and it's equal to 1/2 times the length times technically the height here is what that is. So we like to write that as 1/2 times the base times the height. And this is our formula, 1/2 times the base times the height. Here is our base here, 6 feet. That's our base right there. And here is our height, right? This is our height going up and down this axis right here. This is our height, and our height is 10 feet. So we multiply 1/2 times 10 times 6. And we can do this in any order because it's multiplication and we're using the commutative property. We can move these guys around. So we're just going to multiply these 2 together really quickly. That's going to give us 60 times 1/2. And remember that 1/2 is just the same as dividing. So we'll do 60 times 1/2, or just divided by 2. And that's going to be equal to 30. And 30 what? Well, since we're still dealing with area, it's going to be 30 feet squared. So our area of this triangle is 30 feet squared. And you are going to remember this formula forever. This one right here, 1/2 base times height. Because a lot of times people forget about the 1/2. Don't forget the 1/2. It's 1/2 base times height.